Good morning. It's October 30th, Saturday morning. I wasn't able to get my solar stuff yesterday like I'd planned on. It didn't show up until after I'd left, and the driveway was so bad that when I got the notification, I had just gotten home. When I got the notification that the stuff had come in, I had just four-wheel drived it up the driveway again, and I didn't want to take a chance on messing the driveway up anymore. Now, it rained a little bit last night, but it hasn't rained in several hours, and what is generally standing out in front of the camper, the puddles are gone. So I am going to go back down the driveway this morning and go get some breakfast. And yeah, we're still very slick here, so I can feel the truck. The back of the truck is trying to pass the front of the truck. I'm going to go really slow and easy. Actually, I'm going to get off of the driveway somewhere. Tires are picking up serious mud. I'm driving, I'm trying to keep from messing up the driveway anymore by staying a little off of it, staying in the center. Ooh, there we go. Little slide going on there. And it's supposed to start raining again about 11 o'clock and rain till about 2 or 3 this afternoon, and then we're supposed to clear up for a few days. And I'm hoping we clear up for several days. I've ordered the gravel. So I'll be getting the driveway graveled here shortly. I got to get a box blade and drag it first to kind of get things leveled out. But this is really, really bad. Even when I stop, the truck doesn't want to stop, it wants to slide. Oh, yuck. What a mess. Here, I'm going to take the camera out and show you guys what some of this looks like. So here's on the tires. And this is kind of the mess it's making on the driveway right here. So I don't want to do too much of this. This is going to really mess things up. I'm going to have an acre's worth of land up inside the things. Look at that. So yeah, I'm sliding down the driveway. I'm not rolling down, I'm sliding down. Alright, so we'll open up this side. Lady told me I had mail finally. They've been sending my mail back because they couldn't confirm that this mailbox existed or something. I'm not really sure, but I can see where somebody's pulled up alongside. And oh, lovely. Of course, the first thing I get is a bill from AT&T. I got to try to get back over there without getting in all the deep mud. Seems to be worse where the driveway is. It's where I went around yesterday because it was really bad. All right. Man, my shoes almost look like my tires do. Oh, this is terrible. And I gotta try to walk back in and close this gate. Yeah, I need to do it. Oh dear. What a wreck. I'm glad I don't have carpet in my floorboard of my truck. Alright. Let's get out here and mud up the road again. Anyway, I'm going to try to get the solar stuff put together this afternoon. With the new generator, I got a Predator 8750 generator. It's got a built-in inverter, so I've got clean power. And that means if nothing else, when I get the plug wire run over to the camper, I'll at least have clean power coming into the camper, and I can set up my computers and try to get these couple of videos produced. And by a couple, I mean I probably got 10 or 15 that I've done since I've had lack of access to power and internet. So even once I get them done, I got to take them somewhere to upload them. I still don't have my internet here. Allegedly, Kinetic was supposed to have whatever facilities they were planning on building out completed by the 29th yesterday, but I have no way to confirm that. If I were trying to get away right now, there's no way. I'm leaving mud tracks all the way behind me. There's more mud on my tires today than there was yesterday. Anyway, when I get things picked up and back and redo my solar panel board that you guys saw me build in an earlier episode, I'm not going to go through rebuilding the board, but I'll show you things when I've got it complete with both MPPT inverters on there linked together. This is likely going to take a good portion of the day, which is fine because it's not like I got anything else to do up here when the weather's bad. I can't work in the yard. I can't work on building the foundation for the house or anything like that. So you just can't walk around in this mud. It's that bad. So I will talk to you guys later. And if I don't get back on here today, remember, subscribe, click the notification bell so you know when I put up a new video. Share these with your friends. If you get a chance, please go over to givesendgo.com/Netterboo, Netterboo. Read my wife's story so you know what happened to her, what we're dealing with. When the channel becomes monetized, and hopefully eventually it will, I'm going to use any funds I raise from that to help go towards a memorial fund to help fund people that have similar situations. We didn't raise enough money to save my wife's life in time. And nothing seemed to go right for her. I just don't want anybody else to have to deal with what I've gone through with this. And if I can prevent one soul, then it's going to be worth the effort. Nobody should have to suffer like my wife did and what I've had to deal with afterwards. And her daughter and her mother. So God bless everyone and God love you.